You guys never would have guessed that this is one of my favorite things to do really fast is to drive through the car wash. I just take just a few minutes, those couple minutes, take my foot off the gas to brake, let the car just glide, get clean. I love the sound. It reminds me of being on like a ship sailing a little bit. It's kind of difficult to understand, but it's real serene. You should try it sometimes. You'll be surprised at the small things that you could do to just take your mind off of everything just for a quick minute and just give you an extra little breather to relax. Oh, I really love this part with the rain. I'm a spring baby, so I absolutely love the rain. Got my baby all cleaned up, ready to roll. It's so pretty. That blue and that pink. Imagine that. Just like that,